Today, we're going to talk about preparing a loan application. To increase your chances of approval, you need to start by gathering and organizing all necessary documents. This includes your financial statements, tax returns, business licenses, and legal documents like incorporation papers or partnership agreements. Make sure these documents are well organized and easily accessible. Having everything in order shows professionalism and makes the application process smoother. Next up, let's focus on your loan proposal. This is where you clearly outline the purpose of the loan and how you plan to use the funds. Be specific about what the money will be used for, whether it's for expanding your business, purchasing equipment, or something else. You should also detail your repayment plan. Explain how you intend to repay the loan, including your repayment timeline and the sources you'll use to make payments. A clear and detailed proposal helps lenders understand your needs and trust in your repayment strategy. Finally, let's talk about including personal financial information. If required, provide a personal financial statement and credit report. This helps lenders get a full picture of your creditworthiness. Your personal financial statement should show your assets, liabilities, and overall net worth, while your credit report highlights your credit history and scores. Being transparent with this information demonstrates your reliability and professionalism. It also helps streamline the application process and builds confidence with lenders in your ability to manage financial responsibilities.